Federal Skilled Trades Program, your fastest path to Canadian permanent residency. No degree or high CRS required. Skilled trades workers discover how you can move to Canada through the Federal Skilled Trades Program, even with a low CRS score. First, you need at least 2 years of full-time work experience in a qualifying skilled trade within the past 5 years. Your occupation must be listed under Canada's NOC major groups for skilled trades, such as construction, industrial, or maintenance. You must meet minimum English or French language scores, Canadian language benchmark 5 for speaking and listening, 4 for reading and writing, a valid job offer for at least 1 year, or a certificate of qualification from a Canadian authority is required for FSTP eligibility. No formal education is required for the FSTP. Your skilled trade and experience are what truly count. Apply through Canada's Express Entry system. Create your profile. Select Federal Skilled Trades as your program category. FSTP applicants often succeed with lower CRS scores compared to other immigration streams, making it easier to receive an invitation. After receiving an invitation to apply, submit your documents online, work references, language results, proof of job offer, or certification. If approved, you and your family receive Canadian permanent residency. Enjoy full settlement benefits from day one. Top trades in demand for 2026 include electricians, carpenters, welders, heavy-duty equipment mechanics, and plumbers. Your family benefits too, with access to public health care, free education for children, and a safe, welcoming community. Getting certified in your trade boosts your job options and long-term settlement success in Canada's workforce. Could the Federal Skilled Trades Program be your perfect Canadian pathway? Start your journey today.